Hi, it's David Gomm in the Stained Glass Studio. On this Tech Tip Thursday, I'm going to install a creation window. Now, this is the third one of a three-part series, and Jeanne helped me finish it up. I think you might recognize some of these lines here where she was showing how to solder just the other day. Now, on this end, I found that there were some deviations, and so I've already chipped off some of the glass so that it'll fit into my opening. And so now what I have to do, you see here I've chipped off these edges. Now I'm going to desolder the little bit that's sticking out. See that? Okay, now I'm going to take it over and see if it fits in. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, that over some. All right, well, now it fits this way, but it doesn't quite fit up and down. So, I guess I'll take it over to the sander. I don't know if that took off enough. Probably did not. Okay, a little crack in here, so I'm just gonna put a piece of foil and solder right over that crack. And then here, a little chip came out, so I'm just gonna solder that up. So now I smoothed this up on the sander a little bit, and I still need to trim this edge. See, I've chipped a roundness on this edge so that it would fit in that hole up in the It looks like it's going to fit, except I've got some little drips that need to be taken off of this side. You know, it's interesting. I think this color just looks fabulous with the light coming through it. Okay. I'm using white caulking in here before I use the clear stuff. And so I'm only going to go along the top and bottom edge just with a real thin bead, so I'll be able to trim it off later on. That's why you're supposed to be in here, taking it up that direction.
Not possible.
It is possible. All right, and now just a little bit on the bottom. Okay. All right. Now we're going to see if I can get this over here without smearing caulk on it. Okay. And there. Goes right in. Just exactly how we want it. Now, I wonder if I ought to put a piece of tape on there first. Yeah, I do. Why don't you hand me a piece of that painter's tape, Jeannie? Thanks. I see I've got a bit of a gap on top and no gap on the bottom. That's one of the reasons I want to tape this in place so it won't fall out as I fiddle around with that. Okay. Okay, I think that's good for now, and then later I'll come back and after it's dried, I'm going to fill it up. So, do I get to tell you about the creation window? Here it is. It starts out over here. This is, listen, maybe I'll turn this light here off so you can see that better. Okay, so over here, this is matter unorganized, and it hasn't, and it's, confusion and chaos. And now the matter begins to be organized, and see it flares out, and then it goes into the creative process where creative lines of force begin to roll out the universe. And here are the planets being rolled out. And then finally, these are the seasons. So we have, the spring and summer and fall and then winter finally. It looks like I need a little more up there for sure. It's just kind of tipping out, isn't it? So gotta get... Okay. So, thanks for being with us. Make sure comment and check out this video that we've picked out just for you to follow along to see the next one that just might be of interest. All right, thanks for being with us.